Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Saudogo. And today to my channel I want to show you the warehouse of late Mr.Nwanonnaeze. This is warehouse. You can show around his. This is warehouse where he does his own welding stuffs. And today you can see this is grinding that they used to grind the greasy outboard and all that. You can show the stuff. You can see the grinding. You can see it works perfectly. The adjuster and everything. I have never seen a welder in this vicinity or anywhere who can do such a thing. There is something I want to shock you guys with. This is a gun made by Mr.Nwanonnaeze. We call him AKA Mr.Nwanonnaeze. There is no one like this man. A great welder. No one to compare with him. You can see it. This is where the bullet is going to come out from. Then the bullet sector. What we don't see before he died, he didn't complete it before he died, is the control and all that. You can see this is a gun made by him. He's only someone who has a sense of reasoning as a welder that can do such a thing. As we proceed, in this place, we have a double stove.